Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you why Duolingo icon looks sad and old. Notice the new Duolingo icon appearing sad and old, and curious about the different look? It turns out there's a deliberate technique behind this design choice. The recent update to the Duolingo icon has ignited discussions among its community. The refresh icon features the Duolingo owl characterized by an older appearance with visible wrinkles on its forehead and under its eyes, conveying a sense of sadness. So now, what does the sad and old Duolingo icon mean? Changing the Duolingo icon to look sad or old and wrinkled is a strategy to make users curious, so they open the app to see if there are new updates or content. In other words, Duolingo is only trying to get your attention. This tactic is rooted in the psychology effect known as the novelty effect, where new stimuli can temporarily increase engagement and motivation. Snapchat similarly employs with this strategy with the red dot and yellow dot on the Bitmoji. Furthermore, this icon update could trigger discussions with the app community, potentially boosting engagement and interest. Essentially, these changes are strategically aimed at enhancing user engagement. This isn't Duolingo's inaugural icon makeover. Previously, they introduced a melting icon. This change was designed as a playful twist to engage users, featuring Duo, the app's mascot, in whimsically melting form. The melting icon was a temporary, eye-catching update intended to encourage users to interact with the app. It served as a reminder of Duolingo's commitment to making language learning fun and not taking itself too seriously. If you are a strict society member or a super Duolingo subscriber, you will be able to change the Duolingo app icon back to normal. Regrettably, this option is not available to other users. Note that completing a lesson on Duolingo doesn't restore the app icon to its original appearance. However, the updated icon design is only a temporary change and it will revert to its standard look after a few days. That covers everything about the new Duolingo icon, which appears old, sad, and wrinkly. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.